This will be the full circuit of our project. So we'll have the temperature sensor here, our real-time clock RTC, our Wi-Fi module, our relay that control the on and off of the water pump, our 12-volt LED light bulb, 12-volt fan, and a power supply of that output 12-volt to the whole circuit. The only change that we make from the previous schematic, the original schematic, is from the LED. We are no longer using the LED strip. Instead, we just simply use same method as the fan, which is a 12-volt LED light bulb. Temperature sensor. The signal of the temperature sensor will be connected to the Arduino Uno analog pin A3 right over here. And then this temperature sensor will be powered from the 5-volt Arduino Uno. A voltage divider will be needed in order to do so. And then the ground pin will be connected to the ground pin over here. The Wi-Fi module of our project. This Wi-Fi module is ESP8266. The TX and RX will be connected to the Arduino Uno TX RX. It will be powered by the 3.3 volt of the Arduino Uno. And then the ground will be connected to the ground pin of our breadboard. The RTC pin will also be connected to the analog pin of the Arduino Uno. So as you can see, the SCL as well as the SDA of the RTC will be connected to the A4 and A5 of the analog pin from the Arduino Uno. At the water pump, so the function of the water pump is just to on and off. We will use a relay that separate the water pump from the main circuit. So the input pin will be connected to the digital pin of the Arduino Uno. In here it will be connected to pin 7 of the Arduino Uno. So we will be able to control the on and off of this water pump, and as well as the LED light. So both of these is a 12-volt fan and also light. So we will be able to control the fan speed as well as the light through the NPN MOSFET. And this NPN MOSFET will be controlled through the pin 11 and pin 10 of the Arduino Uno. So pin 11 and pin 10 is the PWM pin for this Arduino. So we will look at the power source of our whole project. So this is a adapter, the switching adapter. It will input a 240 volt, which is our AC supply, to output a 12 volt DC. So here it will be connected to the positive and negative of our breadboard, and it will power up mainly everything, which is the LED light, the fan, as well as the water pump. For the Arduino Uno, it will also be connected to the 12 volt, but we will have a voltage divider circuit right over here just to make sure that only 5 volt goes into the Arduino Uno.